Hi there, I'm your instructor. My name is Caitlin Mitchell. You can call me Mitchell. I'll sign all my emails with my initial CMs to just be super confusing. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. This is super exciting. I wanted to take this time to just introduce myself a little bit to you and talk about the class. And then if we have any questions as we move forward, you kind of know who I am. So this is my 8th year teaching at LMC. I've taught all the classes from 90 and 95 and up to 230, 221. So I am very familiar with where you are when you enter the class and what skills you'll have, what we will need to work on, and where you need to go to be successful at the next level. One thing that I'm really passionate about as an instructor is really moving away from this kind of focus on writing essays for the purpose of writing essays and looking at essays as a tool for building skills that you will use in your future academic career and then also in your everyday life. I really look at English as an opportunity for us to work on effective communication, organizing ideas, developing critical thinking skills, writing effectively. And really, my goal as your instructor is to help you develop those critical thinking skills and be able to develop those communication skills so your thinking is more critical and your ability to communicate your new ideas is there. And so we will use essays as a vehicle for learning those skills, but that's kind of my focus as your instructor. That's really how I view English as a class, more focused on skills and less on grammar and the technical aspects of writing. We will definitely learn how to be better writers, and we will definitely learn how to be better readers, but a lot of that will be also focused on developing skills that will serve you outside of the classroom as well as inside the classroom. My approach to teaching is really kind of being a coach. I'm here to support you. I'm here to get you where you need to go. I'm here to work with you. I'm not here to kind of judge you or match you up to some sort of arbitrary standards. The focus of this class is to push you to be the best writer, the best reader, the best thinker that you can be. And so that's kind of my approach in this class. A little bit about my personal life. I have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. My son is 3.5. My daughter is 18 months. So it's kind of an exciting time. Busy, definitely, with 2 kids who are very young. But an exciting time at home. I live in Oakland. And so I commute out to campus. I went to college at St. Mary's in Moraga, and I went to graduate school at Mills College in Oakland. I'm a first-generation college student. I was the first in my family to go to college. I just kind of tagged along with some friends who were gonna go to college, and so that's kind of how I found my way to college. So if you're the first in your family to go to college, I know that that's huge, right? Your family's so proud of you, but it can be really challenging because there's times where your family might not, kind of understand the things that you're going through and you're dealing with. So I can definitely relate to that. Outside of school and work, and kids, my interests are Twitter. I love going on Twitter. I'm considering getting a TikTok. I feel like that will automatically make TikTok not cool, right? As older people start getting on it. But I love TikTok. I'm TikTok curious. I'm interested in TikTok, but I don't have one. But I like to go on social media, Twitter definitely. And I'm big into sports. I love basketball. The Warriors are my favorite team. Been following their season. It's exciting to have Clay back and seeing how well they're doing. sports, Twitter. I like TV shows. That's kind of like my go-to for relaxing. So like binging or watching TV is like my way to go. So yeah, that's some things I like to do in my free time. Mostly I'm just looking forward to getting to work with you. I know we're going to be online, and so that's like tough. But I really hope that we will connect through office hours or even through email. You're always welcome to pop in and just say hi. And I will do my best to make sure that, you know, we're in touch and we're kind of creating community the best we can in this like online atmosphere. All right. I'm looking forward to working with you, and let me know if you have any questions.